Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I'm about to take you back in time with this awesome retro keyboard from Adventurers. So this keyboard comes with lots of super fun features that will give you all of the memories that you're looking for when it comes to missing a typewriter. I really love the appearance of it just when you take it out of the box. It's super fun. You can see it has the return carriage, it has the turn knob for where the paper used to go, and the keyboard itself sits up high, so it even looks like a typewriter when you look at the keys. The return carriage actually adjusts the lighting, so there's different lighting features on this keyboard, whether it be to have all of the keys lit or maybe just panning across as you type, or to have a blinking feature. It just really adds a modern spin onto a keyboard. The knobs at the end also have a function. So the right hand knob actually adjusts volume on your computer, and the left hand actually adjusts the dimming of the light. So you can make those lights brighter or dimmer if you'd like. The keyboard itself has such a cool, funky sound that it really is so similar to a typewriter. Check this out. So that just makes it all the more fun that you can have this keyboard and you can really feel like you're at an old school typewriter. The wood grain feature also mimics an old school typewriter, but the bottom has feet that will really make this stand nice and sturdy on your desk without moving while you're typing. So if you want to go back in time while you're working in the modern world, then you need to go with this keyboard. I'm telling you, this is the coolest thing. It is so cute. And it would make a great gift either for yourself or for someone in your life that misses the olden days. And that's my point of view.